What's up, y'all? It's here, DATBRATTMAYA, back here to get with the video. And as you can tell by the title, today I'm gonna be doing a dorm tour. Y'all, I haven't really been posting because I have been busy with classes, and yeah, I just really been stressing, so I had to get my classes situated and all that. But right now, I just came back from a class, and I'm about to head up to my dorm now. So yeah, I'm just gonna be basically showing y'all my dorm room. So let's get to it. Let's go to my room. I just have like it on my door, and it's from Hobby Lobby. So when you first come in my room, when you first come in my room, and I don't have a roommate no more, so that's why it's like this. I don't have a roommate no more. She moved to another building, but when you first come in my room, we have this full body mirror right here, and I just use this from time to time because my roommate, I don't have a roommate anymore. Then once you go over here, this is just my bag from a little career fair that I went to, so I just put it right here. Yeah, I just put it right here because I got this bag from a career fair I went to. And this desk and this chair is exactly like mine's over there, so I'm gonna show y'all how mine's look when I get over there. But I just plugged this little thing up in the wall because I use all my plugs over there. And I just left my fan over here on this desk over here because it's getting cold in this room, so I just kept the fan right there. So yeah. And like I said, this is how the bed looked it before. You know, I had put my covers on there and all that. I just put my jacket right there because I literally just came from a class. That's why I used to my jacket, paper in my blue bag right there because I had just came from a class. So right here, this one is mine's. I just have a little snack bucket right here, like snacks and all that. As you can see, I just have a lot of snacks right there. And I just put my little picture right here. So yeah, okay, so I'm gonna start from the bottom first. When you open this, I just have, these are all my shorts, my stuff, like basically like stuff I sleep in, shorts, skirts, and like stuff from Shein right here. And up here, I just have my towels. As you can see, I just have towels and covers, extra covers and stuff, and towels and stuff. In case, you know, it gets cold or something, I just need some more towels. So I just got towels and covers in here. I hate it, don't be opening sometimes, so I gotta, okay, and once you get up here, this is where all my clothes and stuff is. So like the clothes that's hang up, these are the clothes, like my good clothes, like clothes I got from Shein, like clothes like if I want to go like to an event, party, anything, something like that, these are the clothes that I wear. Then I just got my purses in my blue bag, stuff like that, on this hanger right here. And I just got a towel right there. I think that's a beach towel. It's clean, but I just put that beach towel right there just because. So once you go down here, I know it looks junky. Don't mind it. But I just got, I don't know why these jeans right here. Let me put these over here so I can put them up. But yeah, I just got my shoes, like a couple of my shoes right here. And this right here. These not shoes, so this is But I just got a couple of my shoes. Y'all, let me turn on the light so y'all can really see. But yeah, and I just got my plates right here. This is my bounder. I barely use it. Tissue. I need to get some more tissue. I just got trash bags right here. And right here, I just have a couple of my hats. So once it get cold, I'm just gonna put this up here for once it get cold. Then I just have another bottle hand sanitizer. And this is like little shower stuff, but we got community showers. So basically, y'all just share a shower. So I don't really use that. But yeah. And next by my little closet thing, I just have like my y'all don't, but right here I just have my microwave. This is my microwave, just a regular microwave, regular black microwave, nothing too fancy. And y'all, I have a toaster. Y'all, I haven't used this toaster yet because I keep forgetting to get bread or something to even use this with. So, and right here, I just have a thing where I put all my classes at so I can know which classes I got on which day. And in this little basket, I got this, this basket from my auntie. She had got me like this little gift bag thing for, the little tongue twisted for my graduation. So yeah, and she just gave me this basket, and I have this little class of 22 cup, and she also made me these cups with my name on it, and they say Kamaya. I also had these little shampoo. Yeah, but it just say Maya. This one, I have two of these. I just got a spoon right here. But yeah, that one say Maya, and this one's blue, and this one's pink. And I just have some little forks and stuff, and some cups. So right down here, I just have a box of noodles, and some drinks, some Dr. Pepper. And when you open my refrigerator, oh yeah, and I just have my broom and dustpan right here. So when you open my refrigerator, y'all don't mind because it's so empty. I literally haven't been to the grocery store again yet, but I just have, mostly in here, y'all just gonna see water in my protein shakes I drink. I drink them like every day. Well, not every day, like once a week. But yeah, I just have waters. This is my refrigerator. This is the bottom. This is just my refrigerator. Yeah, like I said, this is a plain little refrigerator, little mini fridge. I got it from Walmart. And this is the top. Yeah, this actually full, but this is the top. Oh yeah, I forgot to show y'all over here. This is the other little thing, like mine's over there. But when you open it, I just have my, I have my dirty clothes basket in the other one. So I just want to separate my clothes. But yeah, this is my little dirty clothes basket. I got this from the dollar store. It's actually pretty cute. It's a sort, wash, fold, iron, and it's a laundry schedule. Yeah, and I just have been hanging my towel up here this when I get in after I get out the shower. Next to my refrigerator is my little desk area. So y'all, I have my TV up here. The TV's from Walmart also. It's just a little recruit. And I have my remote and my little hotspot box right here. And I just put this little ducky right here because I just think it's cute sitting up there. It's a You Did It. I got it from a little bag. My my sister got me for graduation. So yeah, I just got this little, don't mind the stitch cord still hanging. I gotta fix that. And I have this little ashtray. My business. So you get down to this area. When you get down to this area, I just have my little light. It cuts on, but I'm gonna show y'all that when tonight. But yeah, it cuts on, which I'm not gonna be able to see because it's light outside. And right here, I just have my little piggy bank, whatever you're gonna call it. My little thing. I just keep all my chain in there. And this little thing right here, I just got my little calculators, like as you can see back there, my little pens, all the little mirror right there. I had this candle, y'all. We really don't supposed to have candles, but I just got the little candle anyway, just for the decor. So right here, this cuts on, but I only use it at night because that's the only time you can really see it. And I just got my like senior picture right here, and behind it is some hand sanitizer, some jam, and grease. And I have this little mirror. Yeah, I got a lot of mirrors. As you can see, I really got a lot of mirrors. But yeah, I just got this little mirror. This is a COVID test. I just took it just to take it. I don't have COVID, guys. And I just got this little bottle of air freshener. And right here, it's really a tissue thing, but I ran out of tissue, so I had to get some more. So that's why I just put that little stuff in there because, yeah. And this right here, oh yeah, y'all, I just got my MacBook right here, my phone right there. And that, y'all, it's my hair I had got from Amazon. I'm gonna do my hair for homecoming, so yeah, that's why I just got this right here. And I got a case of Gatorade right here. I really forgot I had that right there, but I got a case of Gatorade right here. And right here, this is the little chair. I just put this cover on here because y'all forgot to get a cover thingy for the chair, so I just put this cover right here. It's comfortable. And when you push this chair back, y'all, don't mind because it's so junky, but this is my little thing. I just got all my little clips, scrunchies. I got a face mask, lip glosses, clips, all that. Y'all, I love me a hair clip. You can't go wrong with a hair clip. Glasses, all that, earrings. And I just got all that in there. It's just in here any kind of way because, yeah, it's going to get messed up anyway if I even try to fix it. So, yeah. Okay, so it's 3 dressers right here. So, right here, it's junk in here too, y'all. I just do, like, it's like pictures and all that. I don't really got to go through the basic, but it's just pictures and all that in here. And when you open the second one, it just basically like the one up there. It's like this stuff from my high school. Yeah, my trophy had broke, but I still got this piece from when I was a cheerleader in college. I mean, not college, high school. My little diploma right there. Okay, and y'all, the bottom one, it just had a couple of my snacks. Couple of my snacks, y'all. Like I said, I gotta re-up on some snacks, but it just had like a couple of my snacks. Okay, so when y'all get to this area, I just have my little wig head thing. Y'all don't mind it. Y'all know how these wig things be getting dirty, so don't do too much. But yeah, I just put this little hat right here. My Bass Pro Shop hat. I just put it right here. My wig head right here. Then I have my ring light right here. And then like whenever I have to use it, I just get it out basically. So up here I have this little thing right here. And up here it's just like I like all my essentials like lotion, perfume, deodorant, baby oil, razors, and all that right here. Then right here I just have my keys. Right here's a stitch cord, don't mind it. And then this first little thing, I just have like basically fingernail polish, headphones, all that. Right here, lanyards. Right here I just have some of my hair stuff, basically like combs, rubber bands, got to be glued, all that. Right here I have like my curling irons, crochet needles, brushes, combs, all that, rollers, and and all that. This one is my bonnets and all that. This is my undergarment, like socks and all that right here. This pack of hair that was supposed to be right here, but it couldn't fit in the last one without hair in it. But this one have like stuff for my business, because I'm gonna start my business back. But it just have stuff for my business right there. And this last one right here, I don't want to open it, but it just got hair, like a lot of hair wigs and all that down there. Okay, so this is my bed. So I'm gonna start first. I'm gonna start underneath my bed. But y'all, this little bag right here I got on my bed, it's just my shower bag. So I just put it right there in like the umbrella. My umbrella just over there on the other side. But when you flip this up, I just have this little shoe rack. So I just got all my shoes, y'all. A lot of my shoes got lost, thrown away, so that's why I don't have that many shoes. But yeah, I just got my shoes right there. So this is a bucket right here filled with clothes, so I don't really want to pull this out, but that bucket is filled with clothes. Y'all, that bucket back there, it just have like some more of my shoes, like winter shoes. I just got a case of water right here. And this bucket right here just got like cleaning supplies, a curtain and all that. Yeah. And this bottle of water. I don't really want to open this, but I think it got a shoe case and like bags and stuff. Okay, y'all, so this rug right here, it's not too much. I couldn't find like the rug that I really wanted, so I just got this little simple rug. It'll do it. Okay, then I got my shower shoes right here. And y'all, this is my bed. So yeah, this cover, I forgot where it's covered from. It's something simple. Then these are my pillows. My auntie made these little cover things. It just got basically pictures of me on it. Basically just pictures of me. That's the bed. Did I have my little picture up here that my sister made for me? She made this for me. And I just got my picture right here. I got some little lights. I put up some little lights right here. What are these lights for? Yeah, they turns on. But it's dark. It's light outside, so you're not gonna be able to see. But I got these little bulbs. And I got these little lights right here. They turn on too. And then as y'all can see right there, I got LED lights. And they turn on too. And I'm gonna show y'all how the lights look. I'm gonna show y'all how the lights look tonight. Y'all be able to see. Okay, y'all, this is nighttime. And this is how the lights look. It's just on this color, but this is how the lights look at nighttime. You really can't see that good. Let me cut the light. I'm gonna try to cut the light off and see like what it show. Wear the light off, but it's not really like showing up good enough. But it's how it look at nighttime. And this is how this light look at nighttime. It's bright. This how bright it is, but yeah. Okay, y'all, so this is the end of the video. If you guys like this video, bet you give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Also, y'all, I'll see you guys leave down some more video ideas you want me to do. But yeah.